Dear students, this is chapter 7, that is fractions. So first of all, we will know about the fraction, means what is the fraction and what are you understand by fraction. What do you understand by fraction? Okay. So dear, fraction means fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. For example, if you take one apple and cut it into two equal parts, then you will get one part as 1 by 2. Why 1 by 2? Because apple is 1 and you divide it into two equal parts. So 2 is the second thing. So 1 by 2, this is the fraction. Okay, let us, this apple you divide in three equal parts and take one part only, then this is in the form of fraction is 1 by 3. Why 1 by 3? Because apple is 1 and you divide it into three equal parts, but parts should be equal. If parts is not equal, then you cannot denote this into the fraction form. All parts should be equal. Let us, here is a diagram. You can see that this is a triangle, and in this triangle you can see that just a moment. You can see that this is a triangle and there are total 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. If we will shed only one part. Let us, this is shaded part. Then this shaded part is represented by 1 by 4 in fraction form. Shaded part should be represented by 1 by 4. Why? Because there are total 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one part is shaded. So you represent this shaded portion in fraction form, that is 1 by 4. Okay? But if it, let us this diagram. And now I want to represent this shaded part. So what is the shaded part? Can you say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, total 8 parts. And one part is shaded. So the fraction form is?
1 by 8.
No, this is not 1 by 8. Because all parts are not equal, so you cannot represent this shaded portion into the fraction form. Clear? Because all parts are not equal, so you cannot represent this into the fraction form. Yes, you can represent this into a fraction form if this shape just like that. Now you can represent this shaded.
1 by 8. Sorry, 1 by 6. 1 by 6. 1 by 6.
Yes, 2 by 6. Because all parts of this shape is equal and two part is shaded and total parts are 6. So you can represent this shaded portion, that is 2 by 6. Clear?
Yes.
So if the all parts are equal, then you can represent the any choice portion into the fraction form. Now moving, how many types of fractions are there? So dear, first one is proper fraction. What is the proper fraction? If numerator is less than the denominator, then that type of fraction. पहले तो यहाँ पे ये समझ लीजिए फ्रैक्शन तो ये हो गया, फ्रैक्शन को रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं वो भी समझना है. तो फ्रैक्शन इज रिटन एज, दिस इज द नोटेशन. 1, what is 1? 4, what is 4? 1 is numerator
4 is denominator.
and 4 is the denominator.
Yes, sir.
So this is the
Fraction.
notation form of
Fraction.
fraction. And simply you can write it as NR, this is the short form, divided by dr. These are just on the vertex of n, and d just are vertex on d. So in short form you can write that fraction equal to numerator by the denominator. Okay. After moving next thing, proper fraction. What is the proper fraction? So dear, if numerator is less than the denominator, then all that type of fractions are called proper fraction. If numerator, this is the short form, numerator is less than from the denominator, then that type of fraction is called proper fraction. For example, you can say that here the example of proper fraction is 3 by 4, 7 by 11, 15 by 19. These all are the proper fraction. Why? Because this is the numerator and this one is the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. Here is also numerator is less than the denominator, and in this case also numerator is less than the denominator. So this type of fraction is called proper fraction. Now second one is there
Mixed fraction.
improper fraction.
Improper fraction and mixed fraction and like fraction and unlike fraction.
So dear, what is the improper fraction? If numerator is greater than the denominator, or if denominator is less than the numerator, then that type of fractions is called improper fraction. So you write, if numerator is greater than, less की जगह पर आ जाएगा greater than from the denominator, then that type of fraction is called improper fraction. So dear, example of the improper fraction you can write as, these are the example, means 7 by 2, 11 by 3 and 25 by 7. These all are the improper fraction. Why? Because here numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator बड़ा है, डिनोमिनेटर छोटा है, तो इस टाइप के जितने भी फ्रैक्शंस होंगे, that all are called improper fraction. Yes dear, this is the third number, mixed fraction. Means the combination of proper fraction and whole numbers is called mixed fraction. Combination, what is the meaning of combination? For example, you write here 2. 2, this is a whole number, and 1 by 2, this is a proper fraction. Then the combination of these two is known as mixed fraction. 2 and 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction. And let 5 and 3 by 4. So this is also a mixed fraction. After that, taking next 7 and 5 by 6. So this is a also mixed fraction. Okay. So these all types are known as mixed fraction, in which one part is whole and the second part is proper fraction, not improper, proper fraction. So this type of fractions are known as mixed fraction. Okay. The proper manner to write the mixed fraction is as, you write here 8, okay, and you draw a line of division just middle of it, and then numerator just the top of this divide line, that is let us 3, and the denominator you will write just downward of this divide line, means let us this is 5. So this is the proper manner to write a mixed fraction. Okay, so this is the good manner. But here you write 2 and 1 by 2. This is a wrong method to write a mixed fraction. This is not a mixed fraction. Totally this is wrong. Okay, otherwise you will write 3 and 1 by 2. So this is once again very wrong. This is not a mixed fraction. Then what is the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is just like that. If you write 1 by 2 here, that is 1 and 2, and 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 you will write here 3 just like that. Means this divide line just middle of 3 and this divide line just middle of 2. Then properly you can say that this is the example of mixed fraction. Okay dear?
Yes, sir.
So thank you.